Trustworthy's browser extension now makes it even easier to capture what you see online, with 3 powerful screenshot options built for real-life moments. Let's walk through 3 smart ways you can use our screenshot feature, each designed to help you save exactly what you need effortlessly. Imagine you're looking at a confirmation page after applying for a construction permit online. No email confirmation, just a web page. With the extension already logged in, I simply click the screenshot button and choose Visible Part. First-time users will be prompted to grant screenshot permissions. Just click Enable and Allow. This captures exactly what's on my screen. Nothing more, nothing less. I can easily save it to my Trustworthy inbox and file it later, or browse to exactly where I want to file it. Now let's look at a long, scrollable page. Like a school website listing holidays and special events. Here I select Full Page from the screenshot menu. The extension automatically scrolls, captures, and stitches the entire page into one clean image. Perfect for archiving information you might otherwise forget. Just like before, I can save it directly to my inbox, or file it into a specific category. Finally, let's say I'm on a retail site with my child's sizing chart. I don't want the whole page, just the measurements. This time, I choose Selected Area, draw a quick box around the info I need, and that's it. Only the selected content is captured. No clutter, no distractions. With just a few clicks, the Trustworthy browser extension makes it easy to preserve the important things you see online, exactly the way you want. Try all 3 screenshot options and keep your digital life organized your way.